Hi everyone. So today we are going to track how to track a button click. Okay, like for example, I am here on my home page. So if I want to track book a call, that how many people actually clicked on the book a call. So how do I do it? So let's deep dive into it. So I'm into my Google Tag Manager. I made this totally fresh, and I already configured Google Tag Manager with my WordPress through a plugin that is called GTM for WordPress. So that is a plugin which I used, and we need to go here. So in order to, first of all, in order to configure click event on any button, so you need to enable some events as well, some built-in variables. I'm sorry. um, so you need to go here, so you can see there is built-in variables written. So right now we have only these 4 to 5 events which are enabled, so we need to enable some other events as well, and those events are click element, click class, click id, click target, click URL, and click text. So we need to enable that, and we are going to cross it, and we are going into tags. So in tags, what we are going to do, we need to send those events to the Google Analytics 4. So for that, we need to create new tag, click here, then we are going to click here Google Analytics. And but first of all, we need to configure Google Analytics 4, and for that we use Google Tag. And for events, like for a specific event which we will use later, so we use this template. Okay, but right now we need to configure Google Analytics 4. So we need to click here, and here we need our measurement ID. So I'm going on, I need to fetch the measurement ID. I need to log in as well. Let it reload. So yeah, I logged in into my Google Analytics. So where do I find the measurement ID? So the easiest way is to click here on the search bar and type measurement. So yeah, you can see here, this is my measurement ID. So click here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it as well. I'm going to make a constant variable for that, and so that it don't waste my time. um, where I'm going to write it constant again. So GA4 measurement ID. So I'm going to save it. Yeah, so right now you can see measurement ID is here, and for trigger, sorry, for tag name, we are going to name it GA4 base tag. So we are going to save it on all pages. Okay, so in order to track bookie call, first of all, we need to make a trigger. So we need to come here in Google Tag Manager, click on trigger, click on new, click here, and right now we need to click just links. We need to click some clicks, and here we are going to uh, select click text. Yeah, I think that is a better and the reliable option. Although we can also select a URL, it only depends on you, but for me specifically, I'm going to on click text. And what I'm going to write here, I'm going to write book a call. Book a call. Okay, so I'm going to copy it, and going to paste here. So So yeah, so I'm going to save it right now, and it might take some time. Yeah, so I am here into tags. We need to create a new tag in order to drag. So I'm going to click here. So okay, so I already told you the Google tag that is specifically used for configuring the Google Analytics 4 with GTM. But for a specific event, we need to use Google Analytics GA4 event. So I'm going to click it, going to select our measurement ID. Event name is book call click. Oh, I'm sorry, book call click. Okay, so for trigger, we are going to select the trigger which we just made, and that is a trigger which we just made, and we are going to select here, name it book a call trigger, going to save. Yeah, okay, so we need to test in a preview mode. So for that I'm going to click preview. It would take some time. Let me click it again. Yeah, so it is working now. So yeah, this is a correct URL. I'm going to connect. So yeah, so you can see our Google Tag Manager is already connected. So we are going to see, yeah, so GA4 base tag is fired. You can see here, fired for one time. Now we are going to click on book a call. So for book a call, okay, so you can see fired one time. So we successfully fired our click event, book a call. So yeah, so we need to also check it into our Google Analytics 4 as well, into debug view, whether this event reached there or not. We are going to click it here, click admin. So here you need to check the debug view in order to confirm whether the event is reached there or not. So yeah, right now you can see at 120 and 37, so this event is there. You can also see the page title, page referer, or whatever the page location. So yeah, our event is already fired and successfully reached here in Google Analytics 4. So if you find this video helpful, do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like it as well. Thank you.